In this video, we will go over how to download and edit our spreadsheet template in programs such as Excel and Numbers. Once you are on the Import Spreadsheet window, click on the Template button to download the spreadsheet template. Open the template on your computer. The gray area on the left is where you will input student information. Some important notes. The family name and given name sections are required, but the other sections are optional. You can learn more about username and password generation in the yellow area on the right. The yellow area also consists of important and helpful information to keep in mind while inputting student data. The fourth video in this playlist will go over the yellow section in further detail. At this point, you can begin inputting student information, either by typing in the information or copying and pasting from a different spreadsheet. If you would like to upload multiple separate classes all at the same time, you can do so by creating additional sheets within the same spreadsheet. You can think of each sheet as a different class. To create a new sheet with the correct formatting, right-click on the current sheet title, then click Duplicate. You will now have a new class sheet where you can input the information for a second class's students. Create as many class sheets as you would like. Once you have finished inputting all student information, make sure to save the document as a .xlsx or Excel file. To do so, click File, hover over Export to, then click Excel. A window will pop up with some customization options. Make sure you click One per sheet under Excel worksheets. Click Save. Name your document, select where you would like it to be saved, then click Export. Your spreadsheet is now saved as a .xlsx file on your computer. Now, navigate to the fifth video in this playlist for a walkthrough of how to import your spreadsheet to Dashboard, or click on the video displayed on your screen to be taken directly to it.